let's in the meantime shift focus and talk about when it comes to the ongoing standoff that continues in the state of West Bengal. This is between the protesting doctors and the West Bengal government that has now reached a dramatic juncture. Now, when it comes to an anticipated meeting that was expected to happen between doctors and the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, that was abruptly derailed when the doctors demanded for a live streaming of the discussion. However, this was refused, and this refusal led to a missed opportunity for dialogue and resolution at the Nabano. Now, shortly after that, what could be deemed as a dramatic move, the Chief Minister herself, Mamata Banerjee, came out and said that she is ready to step down. She is ready to resign from her position as Chief Minister, as she wants nothing but justice for the victim.
আমি মানুষের স্বার্থে এমনকি নিজে পদত্যাগ করতেও রাজি আছি। আমার মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর পদ চাই না, কিন্তু আমি চাই মানুষ বিচার পাক, তিলোত্তমা বিচার পাক, আর সাধারণ মানুষ চিকিৎসা পাক। আর তা না হলে কিন্তু আপনাদেরও যেমন আন্দোলন আছে, পরিবারগুলো যদি আমাদের কাছে কৈফিয়ত চাই, আমাদেরও তো কৈফিয়ত দিতে হবে। আমরা তার জন্য তৈরি থাকব।
Now, soon after this announcement, the BJP trained its guns at the Chief Minister, saying that she is only doing drama and will not give up on power. The BJP also saying that first she must apologize to the people of Bengal before stepping down.
देखिए, एक नया नाटंकी है ममता को। ममता कभी वो पावर छोड़ने वाली आदमी नहीं है। वो पहले पोस्ट छोड़ के बोलिए माफी मांगना चाहिए, फिर वो तिलोत्तमा का न्याय उनका हाथ में ही है। क्यों? उनका जानकारी है, उनका पुलिस का जानकारी है इस घटना में कौन कौन ये काम घटाया। वो जितने डॉक्यूमेंट्स वो सफाई कर दिया। बचाने के प्रयास ममता का ऑर्डर में, इशारा में ही पुलिस ने किया।
Remember, before making the dramatic announcement, Chief Minister was sharply criticizing when it comes to the protest that has been taking place on part of the doctors for over a month now. She's been expressing her frustration of having waited for over 2 hours to meet the protesting doctors who, according to her, did not show up. The TMC Supremo also said that she was willing to record the meeting, but it cannot be live streamed.
I tried my best to sit with the junior doctors. I spent 3 days for them, waiting and waiting that they should have come, they should have settled their problem. Even when they didn't accept the verdict of the Supreme Court, instead of that also, I waited 3 days with my highest officials, including Chief Secretary, Home Secretary, DG, and my MOS.
Meanwhile, even as the fight continues for justice, the protest by the junior resident doctors in West Bengal has been continuing. The protesting doctors continue to demand the resignation of the health secretary and his deputy, along with the removal of the director of health education. They also have been seeking the removal of the Kolkata police commissioner. All of these additional demands have come in addition to the initial demands of installing CCTVs, increasing the security at the hospital premises. They've also demanded, when it comes to all the people involved in the crime, must be caught and must be punished at the earliest.
All of the senior doctors in West Bengal, we are very much anguished by the reluctant attitude of the state government, and we have precedent by this government only and by the previous government that when this kind of exemplary crime or exemplary law and order situation arises, all the administrative posts in this situation, the Commissioner of Police, the Health Secretary, the Director of Medical Education, and the Principal and Vice Principal of that organization, all they should step down and ensure a proper inquiry. And this is a very just demand of the junior doctors. So we stand by them in all of their demands.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence, to be a force for business that makes doing good our business, towards an independence where knowledge sets us free, to think big and achieve bigger, towards a future made perfect, and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.